So welcome to Quickpixel, and we are making this slice text effect for this video. So let's get into it. So just make a canvas and fill the background color to black, something like this one. Hit T on your keyboard or just select this type tool and click anywhere on your canvas. Make sure the text color is white and the font I'm using for this is called Impact, and the link will be in the description. So I'm just gonna type slice and I will increase the size a bit. Now press Ctrl or Command J on your keyboard, that will duplicate this text layer, and select this polygon lasso tool and do something like this by clicking on your canvas. That will make a selection and click on this add layer mask. Now click on this second text layer, hold Ctrl or Command on your keyboard and just click on this layer image. Press Ctrl Shift and I to invert this mask. Now click on this add layer mask again and just move the text like this. Now if you prefer, you can use a shadow as well. So just click on the layer that is on the top and go to effects and drop shadow. And just copy these settings. So that was it for the video. If you like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.